I'm Miriam Felton, and welcome to my Patreon pitch video. Patreon is a platform that allows people to support a maker whose work they appreciate. You can support at any level. We've got levels ranging from $3 a month to $100 a month, so there's room in there for everybody. And I give you rewards. So you support me, and I know that I can count on that support every month, and then you get various levels of stuff back from me. So check out the page. You can see what kind of rewards we've got. But basically, Patreon gives me the opportunity to know that you're out there supporting what I do. It means a lot internally as well as monetarily. So I appreciate any consideration that you give to it. My goals in life are to make people fearless in their making. Making should be an act of defiance. Making should be something that feeds you. Making should be a way to deepen your understanding of a craft and yourself. And my whole goal in this is to give people that fearlessness that making can give you, and to give you that light bulb moment. So my business is called Brilliant Idea Press, and my logo is a light bulb. And because I really like giving that understanding, that moment of clarity in your head when everything clicks. So, I do tutorials, I do patterns that will push your skill level, things like that. That's what I do. And I think that this Patreon and the podcast are a natural extension of that. So the podcast is called Yarn Stories, and primarily this is started as a Patreon to support the podcast. But I record it in my closet. I sometimes work in a vacuum, and it's really nice to know that you guys are out there supporting me. Like, I can look at the numbers, but it's really nice to have more of a personal connection, which I'm really looking forward to in this Patreon. So we've got goals over there and rewards over there, so please check them out. Our goals range from $50, which will just pay for the podcast itself, all the things that I pay for regularly every month for supporting the podcast, like web hosting and podcast hosting, because there's a different service to host the audio, and things like that. So if you would consider supporting, that would be fantastic. You will have my eternal and undying thanks. So click the link in the end of this video, or if you're on the page for the Patreon, you can find it anywhere in there. Rewards are going to be personal and intimate, and including postcards and subscription stuff, some of the other things that I do. So I'm really excited about it, and I hope you guys will be too. Bye.